Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Oh, I can tell you what Christmas is all about. Cue the music. And there were in the same country shepherds abiding in the field, keeping watch over their flock by night. And lo, the angel of the Lord came upon them, and the glory of the Lord shone round about them, and they were sore afraid. And the angel said unto them, Fear not, for behold, I bring unto you good tidings of great joy, which shall be to all people. For unto you is born this day in the city of David, which is Christ the Lord. And this shall be a sign unto you. Ye shall find the babe wrapped in swaddling clothes, lying in a manger. And suddenly there was with the angel a multitude of heavenly hosts, praising God and saying, Glory to God in the highest, and on earth peace and goodwill towards men. That's what Christmas is all about.
Mm-hmm.
At least that's what they said on the Charlie Brown Christmas. Remember that? Okay, well, hey, Merry Christmas. And, let's try to remember that when you're wrestling a flat screen TV out of the hands of some old lady at Walmart.
Oh, jeez.
This Black Friday. Maybe that was a dumb idea. I don't know. Maybe we can use that and cut it. All right. So what were we talking about before?
Oh, did you want to read some mail?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, here's something. Dear Natasha and Nana BOOZHOO. Oh, they said my name first.
Oh, yeah.
Do you think Thanksgiving is racist?
Do I think Thanksgiving's racist? No. That's the short answer. Do I think Thanksgiving? No. Every Thanksgiving we gotta do this, you know.
I know.
It's just like Columbus Day. Oh, everything's racist. You know, Halloween. Oh, don't dress up like that. That's racist. You ever wonder what, like, people from Romania think during Halloween? Hey, that's vampires. That's our thing. That's a stereotype. Not all counts drink blood. No. But, is Thanksgiving racist? No. And I think the reason why people want to say that is that, we're teaching our kids to perpetually think of themselves as descendants of victims. No, Thanksgiving's not racist. If anything, it glorifies the Native American. We saved their lives. Thanks. But yeah, no. Not every stereotype is a racism, I mean, if a black person eats some chicken and watermelon, oh, that's racist. How is that racist? We eat turkey and rice. That ain't racist. That's just, Oh, look at a Chinese guy eating with sticks. That's racist. It ain't racist. All right. Oh, so today's Ojibwe word. Did we even start the show yet? Okay, hey, welcome back. If you don't know what this is, you're on the wrong channel.
Yeah, no kidding.
So today's Ojibwe word of the day. Menwendam miigwechwi. I said that terribly. Let's do that again.
Yeah.
Today's Ojibwe word of the day. What do you think, honey? Should it be Happy Thanksgiving? Menwendam miigwechwi. Happy Thanksgiving. Menwendam miigwechwi. Happy Thanksgiving. And no, it's not racist to feast your family and friends and remember, your blessings.
Mm-hmm.
If this is a debate going on around your circle of friends, it means you're probably in college. All right. Anything you want to add, honey?
No, let's get out of here.
Okay. Hey, thank you for watching BOOZHOO, Not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and this is Natasha. And I will see you again. Kigo waba min, menowa, hawa. I don't know. Oh, is Thanksgiving racist? Hey, is Ann Arbor's Day racist? A holiday can't be racist. You can't have emotions on a day of the week.
I know, huh?